Hey everyone, today we are going to explore how to force quit an apps on Mac using shortcuts method on and activity monitor. Those methods are useful when an app becomes unresponsive and won't close during usual methods. The default option to force quit an app on Mac go from Apple logo and force quit like I quit Maps and FCP. The default option to force quit an app on Mac is through the keyboard shortcuts Command Option Escape. This is the quickest way to the force quit application window. Also, you can force quit an apps using Activity Monitor. Open Activity Monitor and you can find it on Application Utilities or directly open it from Spotlight Search. In the Activity Monitor window, locate the app if you want to quit, like I quit Brave. Also, you can search it by name or sort by CPU, memory, and other criteria, like I search TV to close. Once you have found the app, click on it to select it, then click cross button to force quit or a confirming dialog will appear. Click force quit again to confirm. Here also I need to mention that force quitting an app leads to unsaved work loss. Like if you force quit an app, so if you have any unsaved work, it will be lost. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.